This clip takes us to the city of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The clip ends there. A tense standoff takes place. A woman armed with a knife and lighter fluid has barricaded herself inside a homeowner's residence, causing the homeowner and their son to escape through the window. According to the Post, the woman caused significant destruction to the home. After a harrowing hour, the SWAT team successfully extracts the woman, bringing the dangerous situation to a close. Thankfully, the homeowner and their son are safe. Our next clip takes us to Indianapolis, Indiana, where a curious incident unfolds. The footage captures a dog rushing to a homeowner's front door, only to make off with an Amazon package that had just been delivered. Thankfully, the package was eventually retrieved. The next clip brings us to Phoenix, Arizona, where a theft takes place very early in the morning. The footage captures a man brazenly grabbing a resident's grandson's remote control car from the front porch. He also appears to have other items in his possession, raising suspicions that they too may have been stolen. This serves as a reminder to always bring your belongings inside, as anything can be taken. The next clip is located at Washington, D.C. This showed a jarring car accident was captured by a Ring doorbell camera. In the footage, a car can be seen careening through the Monroe neighborhood before colliding with another vehicle. Sadly, this is not an isolated incident in the area, with numerous accidents taking place in the neighborhood. This serves as a reminder to drive with caution. Fortunately, no one was injured in the crash, but it's a reminder of the dangers on the road. This next clip occurred in Los Angeles, California. Here's the clip for you to watch first. This clip depicts a disturbing encounter between a homeowner's dogs and a United States Postal Service mailman. The dog barks at the mailman, who responded by pepper spraying the dog, causing the animal great distress. The mailman's actions were unwarranted, as he was not even delivering mail to the house at the time. The homeowner has filed a police report and is seeking assistance in identifying the mailman, including his car number. If anyone has any information on this incident, make sure to comment down below of this video. The incident occurred on February 5th, 12:47 p.m. This next clip took place in San Diego, California. A thief is captured on camera stealing a bike from the front porch of a homeowner. The crime occurred late at night, and the thief managed to steal not just one, but two bikes from the same property. The footage serves as a reminder to always secure your belongings and keep them hidden or locked. The next incident took place in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where a red truck was caught on camera, and a person got out and stole a package from the homeowner's porch. The thief was nonchalant about their actions, driving an unremarkable vehicle. To avoid falling victim to porch pirates, it's best to retrieve packages promptly. San Diego,
Hi.
California.
I just need a charger for my phone. You don't have any? Do you know if anyone close has one? No idea? Alright.
In this next clip, a man is seen approaching the front door of a home in San Diego, California, in the early hours of the morning. The man appears to be asking for a phone charger, a request that may seem suspicious given the time of night. This situation highlights the importance of being cautious when dealing with strangers and considering safety measures, especially at night time. This next clip took place in Glendale, Arizona, and captures an individual approaching the homeowner's porch and stealing an Amazon package. The thief quickly fled the scene once they had obtained the package. Keep an eye out and make sure to retrieve your packages as soon as possible to avoid any theft. This next clip is located in Washington, D.C. It captures a person trying to steal a Ring doorbell camera from the front porch. Despite their efforts, the camera stays secure, and the would-be thief eventually walks away after a 30-second attempt.
Hey, get the fuck out of my porch.
The homeowner did caught the guy in the act. What a great clip to see. This next clip takes place in Albuquerque, New Mexico. A man is seen approaching the homeowner's front door and attempting to steal a package. Little does he know, the package is a decoy set up by the homeowner. Joke's on him. Los Angeles, California. It depicts a criminal act of theft known as a smash and grab. Two individuals are seen breaking into a parked car and making off with its valuable contents, but it serves as a reminder to be mindful of the belongings kept in one's car.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like to support the channel, it's much appreciated. Other videos you can watch now, click one of the two videos you see on your screen.